We're going to be making the trip down to El Paso later on this season. Oh. We got Heartstopper going at it against Pepper Spray Your Face, 245 for your Sex Pistols. And she has beat her way through the pack. Oh, there's a big mashup right there. And your lead jammer, Pepper Spray Your Face, 245 for the Sex Pistols. Oh, there's a big hit. She's a bruiser. She's coming around. She's trying to get her. Oh, there's a little help from 60-60. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar, we got those two things. One of them is free beer, and the other one is the louder you get, the harder they hit. Yeah!